Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine. First, you'll need to gather your basic equipment, including a primary fermenter, a carboy, an airlock, and a hydrometer. Next, choose your ingredients. Fresh grapes are ideal, but a quality wine kit works well too. Remember, sanitation is crucial. Clean and sanitize every piece of equipment that will touch your wine to ensure a successful batch. This step prevents unwanted bacteria from spoiling your efforts. Once your grapes are crushed or your kit is mixed, it's time to add the yeast. This initiates primary fermentation, where yeast converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Keep the fermenter in a stable environment, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure a healthy fermentation. You'll see bubbling through the airlock, indicating the process is active. Regularly check the specific gravity with your hydrometer to track progress. After primary fermentation, it's time to rack your wine. This means carefully siphoning the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean carboy, leaving behind the sediment, or lees. This step helps clarify the wine and prevents off flavors. You might also add a small amount of sulfites to protect against oxidation and unwanted bacteria. Then, allow your wine to age for several months, or even longer, to let its flavors mature beautifully. Finally, it's bottling day. Ensure all your bottles are perfectly sanitized before carefully siphoning your aged wine into them. Cork each bottle securely to prevent air exposure. Store your finished bottles on their side in a cool, dark place to keep the corks moist and maintain a good seal. Now, the best part, enjoying the fruits of your labor. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Cheers to your homemade wine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.